I am Miss Madelyn, and I'm here to share you some tips how to make a Diwali candle jar. And here, these 3 candle jar, which is I made it earlier, and I use this sequence, these materials. I use sequence. And today, I will show you another tips how to make a candle jar, which is this jar, and I use the green and the peach glass tiles. Earlier, I already put one line to see what's the outcome of this jar. So I will continue and show you how I did it. And then we use the glue gun to make it stick or firm. And earlier, I choose to decide not to use one line for green, one line for peach, but I use 2 types of color in each row. So for me, it will look beautiful. But at home, if you want to try this, you can design whatever you want with your candle jar. For now, I'm using these glass tiles to decorate this jar. Okay, almost there. And we will see the outcome later. And I know this will be beautiful. I can put more glue in each row so we can do it easier like this. And it looks nice. For me, it is beautiful. Okay, we're almost there for the second line. Okay, then continue doing it until we reach the end of this jar. Okay, there we go. Almost there. Right, it's another 4 row to finish it. Okay, here we go. Right, 2 more. Okay, and it's here. It's done for the second row. And if we continue, this will be the outcome, which is I made it earlier. Isn't it beautiful? And then the next thing we do is to use this candle and put it inside. And here we go. Isn't it beautiful? All right, I know you can do this at home. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.